Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 7th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars and a killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The tectonic and this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 6230. No, 7230. Correction, 7230. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 23. Print the digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Well. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. Oh wait, between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Double. Here one, there one. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. And I think the fifth one should be in one of these two boxes. If I place it there, the fifth one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. So here should be also an O and a 1 there. Okay. 3, 4. Here should be also an O and a 1 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, one, two, three, four. Okay. Well, I'm stuck now. Yeah, and I cannot compare. Well, maybe this row I can compare, or that row. With only one completed row. 10 here. 11 here. 100 here. Ay, 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 ay. Do we have here? Double one here. Well, if I compare this row and the last row with the ones, look, here we have a 1, here we have a 1, here we have a 1, and there we have a 1. The fifth one in this column is here. I cannot place the fifth one here, otherwise we will have identical columns. So this box should be an O then. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Okay, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But it's not helping me here. It's not helping me here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. How about this? Ay. Now this double one here. This is not. Here we have also 4 ones in this row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Okay, now 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four O's. Here, up there, and O. Need to compare again. Yeah, how about here, double O? No, it's not the same. How about here, the double O here? No, it's not the same. Come on. But here, no. 110. Well. Come on. Double 1 here. 01. No. Double O here. 101. Yeah. 101. Not the same. Come on. This is taking too long. 101, 101, 101, 101. No, this I cannot compare. This will be difficult. How about this? 01, 01, 01. No. Difficult. How about here? Double O. 101. It's also not possible with this one. Double 1 here. 010. Also not possible here. But here 011. 01. 011. Well, then I need to compare the columns then. 1001. 01, no. 011. No. Here, 11. 10. No, it's not the same here. Ay. Where is the opening? I'm thinking. Overlooked something, maybe. No. What's happening? 1101. 2, 3, 4. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's, of course. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. About here. 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. And an O between a 1 and an O. With 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. And still we have 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we still have 3 1s in this column, not allowing one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, having some troubles here. Having some troubles. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Tectonic Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.